have the perfect Valentine's Day gift idea for you. The Manscaped Performance Package 4.0. In the Performance Package 4.0, it has the Lawn Mower 4.0 trimmer. It has advanced SkinSafe technology, cordless, it's waterproof, it goes like this, the button on, and then it has an awesome LED light right by the blade so you can see everything. In this new performance package, it comes with the Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer. And it also has the same SkinSafe technology as the trimmer. This is something your man definitely needs. It's small and super nice. You just turn it on, super easy, and you and you're good to go. We have the Crop Preserver, which is a ball deodorant. And if you're like me, I did not even know that they had deodorant for the balls. So the ball deodorant is anti-chafing. It's a clear deodorant gel to keep them from being sweaty or smelly or sticky down there. It'll keep things really nice and fresh. It smells like a beautiful cologne. Next up is the Crop Reviver, which is a ball toner. So just a little spritz down there, and then he's good all night. He's gonna be smelling good and fresh and clean. He's gonna be clean, smooth, and fresh. And for a limited time only, you get 2 free gifts with the performance package. So you get these for free in your package, and the Shed travel bag. It's the perfect toiletry bag to fit all of your Manscaped products inside. Super nice. I hope your man enjoys his Manscaped gifts, and I hope you enjoy them too. So if you guys want to get these gifts for your man this Valentine's Day, just head on over to manscaped.com. Happy Valentine's Day, guys.